is very powerful, and that's coming through tomorrow. We also have some moisture to go along with it, so some snow in the mountains and a risk for fire danger. You know, we had a little bit of snow yesterday, anywhere from 1 to 1.5 inches around the Asheboro area, Lexington, and there's only a hint of that, if anything, left over. And in the Triad, about a 1/2 inch to 4/10 of an inch in Greensboro. So minimum temperatures this morning even colder. So definitely colder since January. We were down to 19 degrees this morning in Greensboro, Winston-Salem, 17 in Meadows, and 15 in Jefferson. A very cold start today. We have warmed up pretty significantly into the upper 40s. It's because of a southwest wind ahead of this front, but it still feels cool because we've got the winds now starting to come back up. So 44 degrees in Mount Airy, 36 in Jefferson, 32 in Sparta. We are looking at those winds starting to shift eventually out of the northwest. That's the cold wind that comes in tomorrow, and they're going to get really intense. So right now 10 to 15 miles an hour. It's just a cool breeze, but by tomorrow it's going to help to fuel the risk for fires. We're looking at wildfire concerns all the way through areas of the Triad down south into the southern Piedmont. It includes the mountains as well. Gusts may be as high as 60 miles an hour. Their main concern tomorrow, though, is not just the fire danger. We're talking about damaging winds that could take down trees and a lot of power outages possible. It may also damage homes and, you know, any picked up debris that's left outside, like patio chairs and things like that around your yard, can act as a missile and really cause some damage. So I want to remind you to secure those items tonight. We've got those winds starting to gradually gust up to 35, 40 miles an hour later this evening. Then overnight, 60-mile-an-hour gusts are possible. Those trees may come down as well. We're talking about wind chill values too throughout the day as the winds intensify for the Piedmont Triad. Highs that are in the 30s will end up in the 40s with temperatures and feeling like the 30s. So winds out of the northwest, 15, 30 miles an hour for gusts. It's going to be intense. 34 degrees right now for your morning low forecast in the foothills. So notice temperatures don't really have a chance to warm up a whole lot. That cold front comes through by middle of the day. You have winds gusting up to about 35, 40 miles an hour there as well. Mountains, this is where you have some of the more intense winds. You've got an alert on for the day. You're going to feel like the teens through late afternoon. And you see that here on our forecast wind chill, single digits to teens by 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So that cold air is rushing in. We have that front that continues to push to the south and east throughout the day, dropping our feels like temperatures in the 20s and 30s across the Piedmont Triad. By midnight, you're down into the teens, if not sooner, with 4 degrees below zero for feels like temps in Boone, Lansing, and that's going to last all the way through the early morning hours. You notice there's 6 a.m. as folks may be out at the bus stop. Yeah, below zero readings. You need everything covered. Gloves, hats, a must, and certainly maybe even the baklava, the heavy cover over your face, the masks are going to be necessary. We've got forecast wind chill values in the 20s throughout the day on Saturday morning. We still have some strong winds, but our wind chill values start to improve as winds back off gradually throughout the day on Saturday. For snow lovers, we've still got some great snow conditions out there. We've got the Groom conditions in Appalachian Ski Mountain that just opened the other day. Beech Mountain and Sugar Mountain also seen some of that new snow yesterday, about 3 inches. They may see 1 to 2 inches with what's left over from the system tomorrow. Again, squeezing out a little bit of that moisture as the winds continue to come up and that cold air rolling through several times as we get you through the next couple of days. We've got more 20s for morning lows on your Saturday and Sunday, but afternoon highs, we're switching back to the 50s and 60s. Might hold on to that through middle of next week.
Checking the